Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Kitchen knife set. High quality knife set. High-quality stainless steel kitchen knife set is durable and rust-resistant for longer and more frequent use. All-in-one kitchen knife set. 15-piece knife set includes 8 chef's knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear, knife block with built-in knife sharpener. Sharp knife set. The knives are carefully tuned for maximum sharpness for fast food cutting. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Perfect gift, all black knife set. Elegant and beautiful. Suitable for gifts, home. We provide warranty for each customer. Please feel free to buy. Kitchen shears. Premium stainless steel blades. Built to resist rust and maintain sharpness. These stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance. Featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle. Designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Includes protective sheath. Comes with a convenient, sturdy plastic sheath to protect the blades when not in use, ensuring safety and blade longevity. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. While hand washing is recommended to maintain blade quality, these shears are dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Garlic press. Simple TO use built to last. Our premium quality garlic chopper is constructed from food-grade, rust-resistant materials meant to be among your favorite kitchen gadgets for years to come. This garlic and ginger mincer is designed with built-in studs to extract more paste within seconds. It is great for both professional and home kitchens. Easy TO clean. Simply rinse your garlic and ginger press tool under running water and use the included cleaning brush to get rid of any garlic bits, or place it in the dishwasher for a quick cleanup. We recommend rinsing the garlic crusher right after use to avoid residual pulp and fibers hardening up. Hassle-free, Zuli guarantee. We love and take pride in our ginger and garlic press and back this up with a lifetime warranty. We offer an incredible value at a moderate price and are confident that you'll love our garlic grinder. Prop 65 warning. This product may contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer. Kitchen oven baking pans. 3-piece set. NutriChef 3-piece non-stick cookware set includes the small, medium, and large size of cookie pans. These are a flexible, stylish, and non-stick carbon steel bakeware set with red silicone handles. Non-stick coating. The PTFE/PFWA/PFOS-free non-stick pot set cooking, where features a long-lasting non-stick coating for easy food release or tossing. Cleaning healthy cooking with heat-resistant lacquer exterior, making it resistant to high heat. Durable bakeware set. These cookie pans are made from carbon steel non-stick coating that resists warping to keep your baking, roasting, toasting for years. It is suitable for the oven, refrigerator, and freezer. A reliable cookie sheet oven pan style. Handles the heat, bold-colored, commercial-grade restaurant-quality metal bakeware provide a confident grasp while taking the baking pans out of the oven where they are oven-safe to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Storage organizers. 2-pack value set sized at 15-inch into 8 into 12.8 each. These organizers fit perfectly for bathroom organizers and storage, kitchen organizers and storage, under sink organizer and under cabinet storage. Sturdy, durable, made of premium thick plastic and metal tube. Ukitap multi-purpose storage organizers promise to bear more weight and stay non-deformation. Bottom pull-out design. The bottom drawer of the organizer can be easily pulled out for the convenient access of the items. Space saver organizer. No more scattered stuff around. These organizers with 12.8-inch height provide spacious space to store your items. Easy to install, no tools needed. These organizers can be easily installed in seconds. Kitchen washcloths. Cotton dishcloths. 100% cotton waffle weave dishcloths that feel soft and comfortable. Unique honeycombs design make it have durability. And it softens with each wash, so these dish towels won't scratch your delicate cookware, plates, and pans. Unique design. The classic hollow honeycomb weave makes this set of dishcloths lightweight, breathable, and super absorbent to help you tackle all your drying, wiping, and assisting you with all your kitchen tasks. Easy care. In order to minimize shrinkage, please machine wash with cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. Do not use bleach or fabric softeners, as this will affect the longevity and absorbency of the towels. Low iron if needed. Ideal present. Hamaxi soft, functional, and ultra-absorbent dish towels are a paper towel alternative or choice as Mother's Day, holiday, housewarming, and hostess presents. Salt and pepper grinder. High-quality glass brushed stainless steel salt and pepper mill set. Home EC salt and pepper mills are easy to grip and made of the highest grade non-corrosive, brushed stainless steel, and BPA-free glass bottle. This salt grinder and pepper grinder set is a modern, classy, and user-friendly addition to your kitchen accessories. Perfect for a gourmet meal or dinner party. Great gift or party favor. Asterisk salt and pepper not included. Easily adjustable ceramic grinder. Our salt and pepper shakers have a larger heavy-duty ceramic rotor than competitors. Just twist the knob at the top of each salt and pepper shaker to set your desired coarseness of salt, pepper, or spice. An authentic home EC salt and pepper mill pair and funnel arrive in branded packaging with a foam tray to protect your salt and pepper grinder mills. Chef ebook will be emailed. Oil separator. Healthier and delicious gravy. Now you can enjoy all your gravy, soups, sauces, and bacon grease without all the fat quickly and easily, and not to mention healthier. The grease separator will be your perfect choice when you're looking for the flavor, but not the fat. Better tasting and healthy. You always want the best taste whether you're making gravy, dressing, or other sauce, and removing the fat, grease, and oil is the best way to start. Onion slicer. Multifunctional onion slicer. Javar onion holder slicer features a unique design with 10 stainless steel forks under the handle, ensuring a comfortable grip and preventing slippage while cutting. It allows for even slicing of onions, tomatoes, lemons, and meats. Convenient and easy. The onion holder slicer allows you to replace your hands while cutting. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy for anyone to use. Dishwasher safe. With its smooth surface and high-quality material, the onion holder slicer is easy to clean. Meat chopper. Heart with ribbon. You should know we are so confident you'll think we have the best meat masher on the market that we make every order with a full money-back guarantee. So try our meat chopper tool. Heart with ribbon easy to use mash by pressing blades into cooked food until desired consistency is achieved. Angled blades scrape the sides of bowls and pots while mixing and mashing. Heart with ribbon easy to clean anti-dirt design. The ground hamburger chopper can be cleaned easily in the sink or dishwasher. Silverware set. Set of 40-piece. 40 PCS stainless steel silverware sets includes 8 of each. Dinner knives, dinner forks, salad forks, dinner spoons, and teaspoons while packing in a gift cardboard box. Premium material. Silverware set 40-piece solid made of high-quality premium stainless steel, rust resistance and nickel-free. Healthy for daily use, easy clean and dishwasher safe. Solid construction ensures everyday usage and durability. No worry about bending. Dishwasher safe. This spoons and forks set stainless steel, forks, spoons, and knives set stainless steel, tableware set, is healthy for everyday use. Dishwasher safe is really convenient for customers. Even after numerous uses and washings, this contemporary silverware set will not lose its mirror-like polish.